we're looking at product price dictionary, and we start out with an empty dictionary. There it is, empty. Because we're going into a while true loop and filling up our dictionary, we need to declare it before the loop. We can't assign a value to something that doesn't exist. Right? So when I get the product name, what am I getting? The key.
Yeah.
And then I'm getting the price, which is the value.
Mm-hmm.
So when I have the dictionary, I have this little bracket operator. This guy says for this product name, this is the value that's assigned to it. And that'll insert that value into the dictionary. And then we can print the dictionary directly, but it's pretty ugly. So typically when we want to go through a dictionary and make it look pretty, we say for key value in the dictionary dot items. Items pulls things out of the dictionary in a tuple, right? So we have two things and those get assigned to value and key, and then we print it out and it looks beautiful. It's nice to have things look beautiful. One of the faculty yesterday was saying that my blackboard wasn't as nice as hers because I didn't have pictures in it. I said, well, all I need is to have it work. Says, oh no, it's got to be pretty. Okay. So I'll say the product name is bananas, apple, right? Now the product price associated with that's going to be $20. It's an expensive apple. There. So we can print it out like this, which is just a quick way to do it. Or we can print it out where it looks nice. Well, let's add another item. What should we add this time? Grape. A grape, and these are pretty cheap now. They're like 25 cents a bunch. There. Now we keep adding and keep adding and keep adding, and we're filling up our dictionary in memory. Well, one of the things we're working on this semester and next semester is how do we store things and retrieve them? So at this point, I exit the program. Where does everything go that I just stored? Is it still stored somewhere I can bring it back? It's gone. Most of what we've done is stored in memory. The program quits, it's all gone.
Mm.
But we can pickle objects. Pickle meaning preserve them. I think that's why they call it pickle. So we can import a pickle library, and we can pickle all kinds of things. In this case, we're going to pickle our dictionary. So we create a constant for our file name, productdictionary.pkl. We're going to create an empty dictionary object to put our stuff into. Now, with open file name, RB as file handle. Well, that's all quite obvious, isn't it? Right? Pretty Greek looking. So let's look at this one part at a time. Let's get this out of the way, and let's get this out of the way so we can see. So with opens the file for access. So with open, that opens up our file from memory. Well, it actually opens up a file handle. It's like you have a suitcase and it has a handle on it. So we're opening up that file handle. We get a hold of our file. We're opening it up so we can read from it. And pickle files are typically binary, meaning you can't open the file up directly and see what's in it. So this is a pretty typical way to open up a pickle file. We read it, we're reading it in binary, and we're not really reading it yet. We're creating a handle on top of our suitcase so that we can do something with what's inside the suitcase.
You're just pulling it out from all the other files.
Right, well, and we're creating a connection to it. And then, now we load it from the file into memory because we have to create a file handle connection between the operating system and the file itself right here. We're opening that file and loading it into memory. So now it's in this product dictionary, which I think I probably have a dictionary in there. Now, the nice thing about the with handler is what that's called, the with context manager, whatever it is that when we exit this little bracket of code here, it automatically closes the file handle and all the resources are released. We don't have memory leaks. Everything's automatically closed and put away. And then our stuff gets loaded into memory. Well, it gets loaded in memory. It's already in memory. Then we can print it out. Now down here, we're going to put some more stuff into it. When we write a file, we open it up just like we did before, but we say W for write. And when we dump, I don't know why they call it dump, but that's what we're doing, dumping it into a dump truck into a gravel pit or something. Here's the dictionary that we're writing into this file. We also have an A for append, which means it would add on to the file. We're just going to go ahead and write. It's dumped. We can print the dictionary. Do we want to enter another item? Let's see if this works. Ah, look at there. My dictionary had apples and bananas in it already. So let's try something else. How about grapes? And grapes are worth 25 cents. There's my dictionary. What else should we add? What kind of fruit do you like?
Mango?
Oh, yeah, mangoes are good. Mango. And we'll just say mangoes have suffered a shortage, so they're expensive. So it's got to be a backstory. When we press exit, well, did everything disappear? Hopefully it comes back. So we're in the program again. Oh, look at there. Because we dumped the dictionary each time we added a new item to the dictionary. So if we open up the program again, it'll automatically load whatever we put into it before. So we have survivable data, that long-term storage. So you can pickle all kinds of things. You can pickle lists, you can pickle custom objects. This is just a good place to start with it using dictionaries. So, cool. One of the things we're adding is saving the file and bringing things back.